If your administrator has granted you access to messages, you'll see it listed in the main menu. Intulse offers 4 types of messages. Direct messages are one-on-one communication between you and another internal user. Channels are group conversations between you and multiple internal users. SMS messages are standard text messages between an Intulse phone number and any text-enabled phone, such as a cell phone. Bulk SMS messages are text messages from an Intulse number to a group of recipients. Your message settings are located in the context menu. The date filter allows you to select the date range for displayed direct and SMS messages. Channels are always visible and are not affected by the date filter. Choose whether to view all SMS messages or only those you've claimed, along with any that remain unclaimed. If tags have been applied to your conversations, you can use them to filter what's displayed. Select one or more tags to narrow the list, or choose the option to show any conversations that remain untagged. A red badge beside the Messages icon indicates unread messages. From here, you can quickly mark all messages as read, clearing the notification. This is where you can also manage any existing tags or create new ones. New tags can also be created within a message thread, which will be covered in a later segment of the video. Here you can edit or delete any existing tags. Editing the name of a tag will update it in any conversation thread. Tags can only be deleted by a system administrator or the person who created it. Deleting a tag will remove it from every conversation where it's applied for all viewers. You have the option to select a default SMS number here. This is the number from which all SMS messages will automatically be sent. If you select a number here, it will auto-populate in the From field, but you will still have the option to change it when sending a message. SMS templates let you send quick replies without typing a new message each time. To create a new template, click the green plus sign, give the template a name, and enter your message text. Clicking the Info badge will show detailed instructions on using variables in your template. Decide whether to share this template with others in your organization, and whether you want the preview of your message to include a sample contact from an integration. Once saved, your template will appear here, along with any others you've created or that have been shared with your organization. We'll cover how to select and use a template in the SMS segment of the video. Message tags can be applied to direct messages, channel conversations, and SMS messages. Create a custom tagging system to group conversations in whatever way best fits your organization's needs. There are 2 ways to create a new tag. Click the tag icon and select Edit Tags to open the Tags dialog box. You can also access this by going to the context menu and selecting Manage Tags. To create a new tag, simply give it a name and assign a color to make it easy to identify. To apply a tag to a conversation, make sure you've selected the appropriate conversation. Click the tag icon and select the one you want to apply. A color-coded badge will appear under the conversation name, indicating any tag that has been applied. You can now filter conversations by tag, helping you quickly find exactly what you're looking for. Go to the context menu and click on the drop-down arrow to Filter by Tags. Select the tags you would like to view, and the message list will update to show only the conversations that include those selected tags. First, let's talk about direct messages, the one-on-one chats that most of us are familiar with. To begin a new direct message with another user in your organization, click the green plus sign, choose Direct Message, and click the arrow beside the user you want to message. A conversation will appear, including any previous chats you've had with this user. A blue phone button in the top right corner will start a call with that user, and if your account includes Intulse meetings, you'll also see a blue video button to start a video call. The gray bell button lets you mute notifications for this chat for a selected amount of time. Notifications for all chats can be managed in your profile settings, which we cover in a different video. Click the plus sign beside the message box to add images, audio files, PDFs, GIFs, or to format your text. You can also include emojis in your message. Once you send a message, the conversation appears on the left side of the screen under the Direct heading. New incoming messages will be indicated by a badge showing the number of unread messages. Select the conversation to open it. New messages will be outlined with a yellow box. The three dots beside a message let you react with emojis, copy the text, or mark the message as unread. Public or private channels can be used to send group messages. To create a new channel, click the green plus sign, choose Channel, and give it a name. It will be public and available to everyone in your organization unless you select users to add. Once you add users to a channel, it becomes private and visible only to them. Once created, it will appear on the left side of the screen under the channel's heading. A badge will show the number of unread messages, which will be outlined in yellow. Each message will display the name of the sender. To read and reply, simply select the channel. Like direct messages, channels include options at the bottom of the screen to add images, audio files, PDFs, GIFs, format your text, or insert emojis. At the top right, you can start a meeting with everyone in the channel, mute notifications for this channel, and edit the channel details if you are the owner, or view them if you're a member. Owners can promote another member to owner, add members, or delete the channel. You can react to messages with emojis, copy the text, or mark a message as unread. All Intulse phone numbers can be enabled for SMS text messaging in the Account Center. Once a number is enabled, you can begin sending and receiving texts directly through the Intulse app. To send a new text message to an external phone, like a cell phone, click the green plus sign and select Text Message. Choose which Intulse phone number the message should come from, then search for the name or number of the contact you want to text. You can search across your integrations or simply type in a phone number. Once created, your conversation will appear under the SMS heading on the left side of the screen. A badge will show the number of new unread messages. Those messages will be outlined in yellow, and you can simply select the conversation to read and reply. Keep in mind, SMS conversations are visible to others in your organization. Administrators control who has access to your company's numbers for messaging. If multiple users can see the conversation, they can also send messages. Each outgoing message will show the user who sent it, but the recipient will only see that they are texting with your organization's number. You can add a note to a conversation, start a call with the contact, block and hide the conversation, or mute notifications. Notes are applied to the entire conversation and will be visible to anyone with access to this phone number in the Intulse app. Once a note has been added, clicking the icon will allow you to edit it. Blocking a number will stop it from sending messages to anyone in your organization. It will stay hidden until either the number is unblocked or a new message is sent. When typing a message, you can add images, videos, audio files, PDFs, GIFs, templates, or insert emojis. Messages can be sent immediately or scheduled to go out at a future date and time. You can also copy or hide any individual message. If a message is hidden, it will still be included in text message reports and integration logs, and the conversation will show which user hid the message. This action cannot be undone. Any user with access to a conversation can claim it. Everyone will still be able to see the conversation, but a banner will show who's taking the lead. You can remove your claim at any time. Claiming a message isn't required, but it lets your team know you're handling the message. You can also mark the conversation as private, which hides the content from others. They'll still see that it exists, but only you can view the message. You can remove the privacy setting at any time, and administrators always have the ability to view private messages and remove the privacy setting. Bulk messaging lets you send the same message to many recipients at once. Click the green plus sign and select Bulk Text Message. Follow the prompts to create and send your message. Step 1 reminds you that each person receives the message directly from you and will not see the other recipients. Read this carefully and click Next. Choose which Intulse phone number the message should come from. Then enter the list of phone numbers you want to text. Each number should be entered on a separate line. Next, confirm that the numbers are entered correctly. Any phone numbers that were connected to a contact in an integration will show the contact's name instead of the phone number. If any information is incorrect, use the back button to correct it. If everything is accurate, click Next. Enter a name for the bulk text, then type your message. Choose whether you want this bulk text to show as a conversation in the app and click Send. You'll receive status updates for each number texted.